Imagine investing just $1 and watching your money skyrocket as the robotics revolution takes over the world. Rocket with AI and automation shaping the future, a few hidden penny stocks could turn small investments into life-changing wealth. But which ones have the biggest potential? Stay tuned because today, on Moneywise, we're revealing the top robotic penny stocks that could make millionaires. Welcome to Moneywise. If you're looking for high-growth penny stocks in the booming robotics industry, you're in the right place. These stocks are not just cheap, they have the potential to explode in value as automation, AI, and robotics reshape industries. So, stick around as we break down the best $1 robotic penny stocks you need to watch. Why robotics penny stocks? The robotics industry is expanding at an insane pace. From medical robotics to warehouse automation and AI-driven machines, the demand is skyrocketing. Companies investing in robotics today could be the giants of tomorrow, just like how Tesla and Nvidia started small before becoming trillion-dollar companies. Penny stocks in this sector are risky, but they offer huge rewards if you pick the right ones. That's why we've done the research to find the best robotics penny stocks that could turn a small investment into a fortune. Let's dive into two promising robotics penny stocks that are currently trading under $1 but have massive potential for future growth. Small Blue Diamond stock number 1, Microbot Medical Inc. Microbot Medical is developing groundbreaking robotic-assisted surgical technologies. Their robotic systems are designed for minimally invasive procedures, which could revolutionize the healthcare industry. With recent advancements and strong patents, this stock could skyrocket as more hospitals adopt automation in surgery. Small Blue Diamond stock number 2, Aditxt Inc. Aditxt focuses on immune monitoring and modulation technology. Their robotics-driven biotech solutions are set to play a big role in precision medicine. With the rise of personalized healthcare, this company could see huge gains in the coming years. These stocks are cheap now, but as technology advances and these companies gain traction, early investors could see massive returns. The future of robotic stocks. The robotics industry is set to grow into a multi-trillion-dollar market. Automation is taking over manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and even space exploration. Investing in the right robotics penny stocks now could mean life-changing wealth in the next 5 to 10 years. However, penny stocks are highly volatile, so always do your own research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future stock picks. Chart with upward trend money back. Also, let us know in the comments which robotics stocks you're watching. Stay smart, stay invested, and see you in the next video.